world overwhelmed by chaos, stress, and speed, Peace is Every Step by Thich Nhat Hanh invites us to return to the present moment, our true home, through the lens of mindfulness. This Vietnamese Zen master teaches that peace isn't something we find far away or in the future. It's available in every breath, every step, every action, right here, right now. His words are not abstract spiritual theory, but gentle, practical invitations to cultivate happiness, healing, and transformation in our daily lives. Let's walk together through this profound book and rediscover the peace that lives within us. Part 1. Breathe. You are alive. Chapters 117. Lesson. The present moment is the doorway to peace. This first section reminds us that our breath is an anchor to the present moment. Simple conscious breathing can reconnect us with life. In our rush to the future, we forget the miracle of simply being alive. Thich Nhat Hanh teaches the power of mindful breathing and how a smile, a flower, or a warm dish of food can awaken deep joy. He shares the practice of the bell of mindfulness, which helps stop our autopilot thinking and brings us back to our center. Through walking meditation, dishwashing, or traffic mindfulness, we learn that any act can become spiritual if done with awareness. The central idea here is, peace isn't something we arrive at. It's something we do with each breath. Mindfulness is the path, and breathing is its vehicle. Part 2. Transformation and Healing. Chapters 18-31. Lesson. Suffering is not an enemy, it's a teacher. In this section, Thich Nhat Hanh shifts to dealing with our suffering. He introduces the concept of composting our pain into understanding and compassion. Instead of running away from difficult emotions, he encourages us to look deeply into them, cradling them like a crying baby. He introduces hugging meditation and conscious listening as ways to cultivate deep compassion in relationships. He explains how anger is not to be suppressed or expressed violently, but gently observed, like heat-warming cold tea. Through practices such as mindful consumption, we become aware of what we allow into our minds: news, entertainment, even conversations. This part teaches that healing begins with acceptance and compassionate observation. Our suffering, if held mindfully, becomes a seed of growth. We are not separate from the world's suffering, but we can help transform it through our own inner peace. Part 3. Peace is Every Step. Chapters 32-45. Lesson. Engage mindfulness creates real change. In the final section, Thich Nhat Hanh brings mindfulness into the heart of the world's problems: war, injustice, consumerism, and environmental degradation. He introduces the idea of engaged Buddhism, where awareness isn't just about inner calm, but outward compassion. He reminds us that peace is not passive. It's an active process of understanding, suffering in ourselves and others, and responding with love. This includes small actions: planting trees, eating consciously, speaking truth without blame. He discusses how to practice deep listening in political or social settings and why forgiveness is a path to freedom. Every mindful step, he says, contributes to the collective healing of humanity. He closes with the insight that there is no way to peace. Peace is the way. Through mindfulness, each step becomes a revolution, each breath a chance to awaken, each moment a flower blooming in the garden of consciousness. Closing reflections. Peace is Every Step is a meditation in itself, a call to slow down, breathe, and live from the heart. It shows us that even amidst war, suffering, or daily frustration, we can choose peace, not as an escape, but as an embodied presence. Through mindful breathing, conscious walking, loving communication, and compassionate living, we become peace. Not tomorrow, not someday, but now. Key takeaways. Recap. 1. Mindful breathing. A simple breath can restore awareness and joy. 2. Present moment. Life only happens in the now. Happiness is here. 3. Transforming suffering. Hold your pain with compassion, not fear. 4. Engaged mindfulness. Apply awareness to family, politics, and society. 5. Peace as a practice. It's not a destination, but a way of walking, speaking, and being. Use this book not just for reading, but as a guide for living. Practice its teachings in real time. Smile at your breath. Walk gently on the earth. Listen to those you love. And above all, remember, peace is every step. You are the miracle.